Hey teachers, I just did another global class. My bookings are not coming very quickly, but I've had 2 classes now and I thought I'd tell you the process for leaving feedback because it's very different than the old system. All right, I just finished another global class, so I'm going to show you how to write feedback because it's totally different. So how I do it is I write it on a note. Do you see I have like all these little notes? I write it on a note right after class, well, it's fresh in my mind. Then I go to support. And then I go to contact support right over here. And then you have to like pick your issue. And since leaving feedback's not really an issue, they have a whole spot for it. So you go to global, you go to teaching. Oh, right here, class feedback. Global site, teaching, class feedback. Okay. So then this is what I write for the topic. I don't know what you're supposed to do, but this seems useful. Global, class feedback, student UTO. And then this is what I've been writing for feedback. I write it similar to what I used to do. Just a little intro. I did the theme of the lesson with the new, I see an editing mistake here. With the new words, and I focus on what he needed help with. And then I put at the end, I would love to teach him again. Do you have a regular VIPKid teacher yet? And I tell my schedule and say goodbye. So that's how you leave feedback. It's kind of not a very efficient system like it used to be. And I've seen on some of the Facebook groups conversation that it will probably build back to the, efficient, beautiful level of the old VIPKid, where we had feedback in class and we had firemen and we had an app. All of that is gone for now, and they're just starting back at square one. One thing I would love to know is why they couldn't use the platform that they built before for China for the international program. I don't know the answer to that. I don't know if they will tell us the answer to that. But in the meantime, we'll just make do and keep teaching and roll with the punches. So this is how you leave feedback for VIPKid in December 2021. As we're just getting started. Any other questions about the global platform, let me know in the comments. Thanks, teachers.